Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Facebook offers a feature that allows you to find and sync your contacts with your Facebook account. By syncing your contacts, you can easily connect with friends and family members who are already on Facebook. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of finding and syncing contacts on Facebook. Let's get started! First, we need to launch Facebook app by tapping it. Now on the Facebook homepage, you can see at the bottom right of your screen menu, it has your profile picture on it. Tap it. Now, we need to scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Under the Settings and Privacy, tap Settings. Now we are on the Settings page. At the top right of your screen, you can see a magnifying glass icon. Tap on it to go to the search bar. Now, type in Upload Contacts. Tap Upload Contacts. Now you are on the Upload Contacts section. Select the account that you want your contacts to be uploaded to. Now, toggle the switch on by tapping it. Tap Continue. Now, this will show all your contacts. You can add them all as friend. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to find and sync contacts on Facebook. By following these steps within the Facebook app, you can easily discover which of your contacts are already on the platform and connect with them. Thank you for watching!